Coatimundi. A coati, also known as a coatimundi, is a member of the raccoon family, Coatimundi, and is native to the Americas. Coatis are medium-sized mammals with a distinctive elongated snout, making them easily recognizable. They have a flexible and prehensile tail, which they often use for balance and climbing. Here are some key characteristics and information about coatis. Number 1. Physical characteristics. Coatis have a slender body, a pointed snout, and a long, ringed tail. Their fur is usually brown or reddish-brown, and they often have a white snout, cheeks, and tail markings. Number 2. Habitat. Coatis inhabit a range of environments including forests, grasslands, and tropical rainforests in Central and South America. They are particularly skilled climbers and are often found in trees, where they search for food and escape predators. Number 3. Behavior. Coatis are social animals that live in groups called bands or troops. These groups can vary in size and consist of females and their young, while adult males are typically solitary. They communicate through various vocalizations and also use their sense of smell to locate food and mark their territories. Number 4. Diet. Coatis are omnivores, meaning they eat both plant and animal matter. Their diet includes fruits, insects, small vertebrates, eggs, and even small reptiles. They use their long snouts to root around in leaf litter and other debris to find food. Number 5. Reproduction. Female coatis give birth to litters of usually 3 to 7 pups. The young coatis are raised within the group, and the females often share childcare responsibilities. After a few months, the young coatis become more independent. Number 6. Conservation status. Coatis are generally not considered threatened or endangered. However, habitat loss due to deforestation and human development can impact their populations. Additionally, in some areas, they can become nuisance animals due to their opportunistic foraging behaviors. Number 7. Relation to raccoons. Coatis are closely related to raccoons and share similar behaviors and characteristics. They both have a penchant for exploring and are known for their curious nature. Coatis, like all living organisms, face various biological challenges in their natural environments. Some of these challenges include: Number 1. Habitat loss and fragmentation. Coatis primarily inhabit forests and tropical ecosystems. Deforestation and habitat fragmentation due to human activities such as logging, agriculture, and urbanization can lead to a loss of suitable habitats and disrupt their natural behaviors, including foraging and nesting. Number 2. Competition for resources. Coatis are omnivores and have a diverse diet that includes fruits, insects, and small animals. They may face competition from other species that share their habitat and have similar dietary preferences, potentially leading to resource scarcity. Number 3. Predation. Coatis are preyed upon by various predators, including large cats like jaguars and pumas, as well as birds of prey. Their relatively small size and tendency to forage on the ground and in trees make them vulnerable to predation. Number 4. Disease and parasites. Like all wildlife, coatis can be susceptible to diseases and parasites that can affect their health and population dynamics. In some cases, diseases can be introduced by domestic animals or human activities, further impacting coati populations. Number 5. Climate change. Changes in climate patterns can affect coatis by altering their habitats, availability of food, resources, and overall ecosystem dynamics. Climate change can lead to shifts in vegetation patterns, affecting the availability of suitable nesting sites and foraging areas. Number 6. Human interaction. Coatis living near human populations can encounter various challenges, such as habitat disturbance, road mortality, and potential conflicts with humans. Coatis may also become habituated to human presence, which can lead to altered behaviors and dependency on human food sources. Number 7. Reproductive challenges. Coatis, like many mammals, need suitable and undisturbed environments to successfully reproduce and raise their young. Habitat fragmentation and disturbances can impact their ability to find safe nesting sites and provide adequate care for their offspring. Number 8. Genetic diversity. Small and isolated populations of coatis may face challenges related to genetic diversity. Reduced genetic diversity can increase the risk of inbreeding and make populations more vulnerable to diseases and environmental changes. Number 9. Migration and dispersal. Some coati species engage in seasonal movements or dispersal to find food and suitable habitats. Human activities, such as roads and urban development, can impede their natural migration routes and create barriers to movement.